Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update an Elastic Load Balancer listener rules, full guide step by step clearly. To update an Elastic Load Balancer listener rules, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Load Balancers. Select the load balancer that you want to update from the list displayed. Scroll down to the Listeners tab. Click on the listener you wish to modify. In the listener details, locate the View/Edit Rules option. Click on View/Edit Rules to access the Rule Management section. Here, you will see the existing rules associated with this listener. To edit a rule, click on the pencil icon next to the rule you want to modify. Make the necessary changes to the rule conditions or actions. If needed, you can also add new rules by selecting the Add Rule button. Configure the new rule based on your requirements. Once all changes are made, click Update to save your modifications. Review the updated rules to ensure they meet your needs. After verification, exit the Rules Editor. Monitor your load balancer performance to ensure the changes take effect properly. If issues arise, revisit the rules to make further adjustments as necessary. Your Elastic Load Balancer listener rules are now successfully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.